Hello students, let us continue with the same chapter modals in your English grammar. In my last video I explained use of may, can, could while making request. I told you can is informal, may formal, while could is very polite. And we also discussed about while asking for anything we can use can, could, may and will. Okay, so let us discuss. We also did exercise 1. So now today we are going to discuss possibility, ability. For showing possibility or ability we can also use can, could, that is be able to. Be able to is a form of can. For example, I will be able to reach there on time. So I can reach on time. I am able to lift the weight of 30 kilogram. I can lift the weight of 30 kilograms. Okay, so it mostly be able to is used in future tense. Okay, because there is no future form of can. Can is present form, it is present form, while could is past form. Okay, can is present form while could is past form, and be able to is future form. Okay, we use can to say that something is possible or that somebody has the ability to do something. So in order to express capability of anyone, okay, we use can. So can is used to express that something is possible or that somebody has the ability to do something. Okay, he can easily, look at the examples, he can easily stand on his head. So he can easily, it means he is capable of standing on his head easily. So here can means he is capable of doing this job. So it shows capacity of the person. Can shows capacity of the can shows here the capacity of a person. Okay, a computer can make these lengthy calculations in 10 seconds. So it's also capacity of a computer, that a computer is capable of, a computer is capable of making these lengthy calculations in 10 seconds. So we can use can to show capabilities. In order to show capabilities we can use can. Okay, it shows capability of someone or also possibility for something. Look at the second use. Can has only two forms, can present and could past. So as I told you in the beginning that can has only two, past, can and could. It has no future form. So for future form we use be able to. So that is will be able to. So I will not be able to come to school tomorrow. It means I cannot come to school tomorrow. So it has no future form. So in order to express future form we use be able to. Be means here is, are, am, was, were, will, shall, they are the form of be. Okay, So she can do this exercise in 5 minutes. So it refers present. She could do this exercise in 5 minutes. It refers past. So in the first one, in order to express present action, we have used present capability. So can has been used. In the second one, in order to express the past capabilities, could has been used. Okay, but if the same thing you have to express in future, then we use will. The engineers haven't been able to locate the fault, or here haven't, at the place of haven't we can also use cannot. Okay, you know, when we write cannot, it is not two word. Cannot is single word. You cannot write this way, can and not. It is wrong. Okay, so whenever you write cannot, it should be all together. You cannot separate can and not. Okay, they are single word, they are one word. Okay, must keep it, remember. So here in this sentence you can see have not been able to, could, cannot also can be used here. In the second one, which shows future time, we will not be able to help you this time. So here it shows future, so there is no future form of can. So in order to express future form of can, we use will be able or shall be able. Okay, so we use be able to do it and will not be able to do it. So we means here be, the form of be are, the forms of be are is are, am, was, were, will, shall, etc. Okay, so here you can see that can and could, they are used for possibility, ability, capacity to do something in the present, past respectively, and be able to, it shows possibility or ability in all the times. Yes, be able to can be used in present also, like I am not able to go to school, so she is not able to, it you know, instead of can, be able to also can be used. As I told you, be is the form of is, are, am, was, were. So with are, am, was, were, we will, shall, etc. we can use this able to. I am not able to give this opportunity. Okay, so I was not able to go to school, I could not go to school, both are same. Okay, so in order to express ability, we can use be able to. Okay, and instead of be able to, can is be used in present, and could is could can be used in past, while in future we use will, shall, be able to. Okay, so now let us go through exercise 2, which is for oral practice. Discuss with your partner which of the following activities are possible, and then make sentences using can or can't. It is for oral practice. Okay, example, we can't smoke in a cinema hall. So first one has been used. For example, look at the second one, reading in an aeroplane. So we can read in an aeroplane. Third one, talk in a library. So rest you do it on your own, we cannot talk in a library. Okay, so as of now we have discussed till third one. Rest you will have to do on your own with your brother, sister, friends, parents. Okay, so practice it at home. So look at the exercise 3. Complete these sentences using can or be able to. Use can if possible, otherwise use be able to. So what she says dash be true, but I do not really think so. So what can be the answer? Yes, what can be the answer? What she says, yes, can be true. What she says can be true, but I do not really think so. So now, next, I haven't revised the whole of my syllabus. Yes, I haven't dash revised the whole of my syllabus. So what is the correct answer here? Yes, good. So I haven't been able to. I haven't been able to. I haven't been able to revise the whole of my syllabus. Next one. I don't think I'll attend your sister's wedding. I don't think I'll attend your sister's wedding. Yes. So what is the correct answer here in this blank? Yes. Yes. Good. I don't think I will able to attend. I will able to attend, yes, your sister's wedding. Ring up Alok, he might help you. Ring up Alok, he might dash help you. Yes, tell me the answer. Guess the answer. Yes, so ring up Alok, he might, as you can't tell me the answer because I cannot hear you, but it's a way of teaching in class, so naturally it comes from mouth. Okay, so ring up Alok, he might help you. So he might be able to help you. He might be able to help you. No be here beta. He might able to help you. Okay, but here if you don't write might able to help you, even then it gives complete sense. Ring up Alok, he might help you, already it gives complete sense. Okay, so it is not necessary here. So you can write here, you can write nothing is required. Okay, neither can or nor be able to is requires here. It is correct. Okay, but if you write able to, it's also correct, it's not wrong. Okay, what is happening? Yes, only your father dash help you in this situation. So only your father help you in this situation. Yes, so what is your answer? It is can. Only your father can help in this situation, or also you can fill here only your father is able. Both is correct. Only your father is able to help you in this situation. Okay, I am busy on Sunday, but I spare some time on Monday morning. So I am busy on Sunday, but yes, here both are possible, can or I am able to. Yes, I am able to. I am busy on Sunday, but I can spare some time on Monday morning. Or I am busy on Sunday, but I am able, or I will be able, also correct here. I am able spare some time on Monday morning. Okay. So next one, look at the seventh one. However hard I try, there is nothing however hard I try, there is nothing, yes, there is nothing I can, okay, there is nothing I can do to get out of this mess, okay. Look at the eighth one. The light is dim, but here, yes, what is the correct answer? The light is dim, but I can read the book, or I am able to read the book. Okay, I can read the book, or I am able to read the book. Both are correct here. Okay. So now let us discuss in the same sense use of could. It is used for was able to. So could suggests general ability or permission to do something. Was able to suggest ability in a particular situation. So in order to express ability, we can also use was able to. For example, when I was of 10 years, I could ride a bicycle. So when I was of 10 years, I was able to ride bicycle. Okay, so both are correct. So in order to express was able to, we can use could. So instead of was able to, could can be used, and instead of could, but only for capacity, only for showing general ability, not for permission. We cannot use it for permission. Okay, so let us go through the examples. When my father was young, he could, look at this example. When my father was young, he could easily lift a 200 kilogram weight. So it is what? General ability of his father. So you can also express it in this way, that my father was able to lift the heavy box and carry it upstairs. So here ability in a particular situation. So in the first one, it can be replaced with the was able to, but mostly we use was able to when we have to express a particular situation, but both can be replaced. Okay, don't get confused regarding it. Could can be replaced with was able to, but mostly we use was able to in when we have to show ability in a particular situation. Okay, we could buy tickets in advance. It is general ability. So here we cannot replace it. We cannot say that we were able to buy ticket in advance. That one also correct, but it seems odd. Okay, there was a mad rush for the movie, but we were able to buy tickets in advance. So here if talking about a particular situation, was able to can be used. So mostly if we talk about general ability, we use could. While talking about a particular situation, then we use was able to. Okay, so the negative of could is couldn't, we know very well. So what we have discussed so far: could is used to express general ability or permission to do something, while was able to is used to show ability in a particular situation. But both can be exchanged while showing ability. Okay, I can also say I was able to speak Hindi when I was 5 years old. I could speak Hindi when I was 5 years. So it is both correct here. Okay, so need not to be get confused. But mostly we use could with general ability or permission to do something, and was able to is preferred to used with the ability in a particular situation. Okay, now let us go through exercise 4. So now exercise 5, complete these sentences using could, couldn't or be able to. I went to every drugstore, but I yes, could not get the medicine. Or here you can also use I was not able to get the medicine. So which is here most which one is the most appropriate? So it is talking about a particular ability. So here was able to more appropriate. Okay, but both are correct. Couldn't and was able to, was not able to, both are correct. Okay, but according to the rule here, was not able to can be preferred. Okay, so I went to every drugstore, but I was not able to get the medicine. Despite the short notice given to her, she, yes, despite the short notice given to her, she could not finish the work on time. Okay, despite the short notice given to her, so she could not, yes, finish the work on time. I didn't have the complete address. I didn't have the complete address, so I dash locate the house. So yes, which one? Yes, so I couldn't in the third one, couldn't. Okay, so I did not have the complete address, so I couldn't locate the house. Although the river was flooded, so talking about a particular situation, I was able to swim the other bank. Although the river was flooded, I was able to swim the other bank. I could also correct here, but was able is most appropriate. Okay, fifth one, after his grandfather's knee joints were replaced. After his grandfather's knee joints were replaced, yes, so he could walk again, or he was able to walk again. Okay, look at the sixth one. The whole place was full of mosquitoes. The whole place was full of mosquitoes. I could not sleep at all, or I was not able to sleep at all. Seventh one, I dash meet him personally, but I dash contact him on the phone. So What is the most appropriate here? Yes, in the first one, I was able to meet him personally, but I was able to meet him personally, but I could contact him on the phone. I was not able to, sorry. I was, but shows a contradiction, sorry. So I was not able to meet him personally, but I could contact him on the phone. Okay, I was not able to, in the seventh one, I was not able to meet him personally, but I could contact him on the phone. Look at the eighth one. One dash walk down to the market or take a rickshaw to go there. So one, yes, one could, it is one could walk down to the market or take a rickshaw to go there. Okay. So now look at the exercise 6. First I am giving you 2 minutes to do the exercise, then I will discuss the answer. First you people will do the exercise, then I will discuss the answer. You have 2 minutes to finish the exercise. Yes. Now match your answers. So I am afraid. Yes, I am afraid I cannot wait any longer. I am already quite late. So I am afraid I cannot wait any longer. I am already quite late. Second one, it was so foggy that we could drive fast. It was so foggy that we could not drive fast. Okay, it was so foggy that we couldn't drive fast. We were glad to inform you that we can supply all the books you need. So it was a cloudy day, so I could not click any photographs. We regret to say that we cannot accept these damaged goods. Even though her family is not well off, she can lead a quiet, happy life. Okay, so this is all about today's video. In my next video, I will discuss more modal auxiliaries. Okay, thank you for watching.